until 6:30 p.m. At 6 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shannon to near Lanark, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Wax learned these, that's
Locations
good.
impacted include Forreston, Leaf River, Mount Morris, Adeline, Baileyville, and Oregon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Oh, look at that. Where's that at? Oh, Lee County.
Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north central Illinois until 9 p.m.
Nice.
At 6:01 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area with rates up to 2 to 3 inches per hour. Thunderstorms are continuing to develop across the same areas, with up to 3.5 inches of rain so far near West Brooklyn, Compton, and Paw Paw. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flood severity is expected to worsen shortly. Hazard, significant flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges.
Is this a considerable flash flood warning?
Rapid onset, significant flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches,
Really? Yeah.
areas,
Wow.
and poor drainage areas. Widespread street and underpass flooding. Possible flooding of structures. Possible flooding of highways. Some locations that will experience flash
Yeah, it makes
flooding
sense.
include
It's gotten a ton of rain.
Waterman, Paw Paw, Sublette, Woodhaven Lakes, Lee, Compton, and West Brooklyn. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The following is a flood advisory from the National Weather Service.